So, intermediate class proceed. Herato Bod Lanao del Norte.
Automatically. Walang pabangga. 20 seconds po.
Wow! Rahul shot! Wow! La! Nakauna it's Fernandez! So leading it's Nonoy Fernandez followed by Anton Cortez. And then John Paul Arangis. Wow! Oy, nakuha si Anton Bay. It's Nonoy Fernandez on the lead. Nonoy Fernandez followed by John Paul Arangis. Wow! John Paul Anton! Kirk Morales! Wow! So leading it's Nonoy Fernandez followed by John Paul Arangis and then Anton Cortez on third. Downhill. Mutsi pilido na dili. Outside Anton. Inside John Paul. Wow. Fernandez on the lead. John Paul Arangis on second. Anton Cortez on third. Wow. Iloilo nakadumangas. Iloilo nakauna guys. Wow. Ayun o. Anton Cortez versus John Paul Arangis. Battle of second. Fourth is Philip Rebelio, Kurt Morales, and then Ethan Butad. McLaren, Belia Corta. And then, ito, kailan to guys? Sino to? Sorry guys, di ko kilala ibang rider. Parang unti-unti nang lumalayo. Nonoy Fernandez. Battle of second pa rin. John Anthony Cortez versus John Paul Arangis. Battle for second. Yun, no? Wow. Outside. Yun, no? Battle for second, Anton Cortez versus John Paul Arangis. Nonoy on the lead. Parang nag-break away na Nonoy Fernandez. Wow. John Paul Arangis versus Anton Cortez. Ford is Baby Monkey. Philip Rebelio. Kurt Morales versus Ethan Butad. And then McLaren, Belia Corta. Wow. So balik tayo sa leading guys. Leading it's Nonoy Fernandez. Battle for second, John Paul Arangis versus Anton Cortez. Ayun o, overjump by Anton Cortez. Wow. Wow. Dikit ang laban guys. Dikit ang laban. John Paul Arangues versus Anton Cortez. Wow. Nonoy Fernandez. Breakaway na. Wow. Dikit ang laban guys. Dikit ang laban. Anton versus John Paul. Ford Edge, Baby Monkey. Tester leading. Nonoy Fernandez. Breakaway guys. Breakaway na Nonoy Fernandez. Battle for second. John Paul Arangues versus Anton Cortez. Dublin overlap. Dublin overlap.
Top 5 riders,
Oh, top 5 riders.
Emilio and Morales.
Rebelio and Morenes. Wow.
Nakain.
Allah. Wow. Estel Nonoy Fernandez. Sabi Nonoy Fernandez. Breakaway na. Battle for second. Wow.
Grabe, top 3 riders.
Oh.
Fernandez, update na ako.
Oh. Dili na sinipsip.
Okay. Parente!
So, Bebelio on fourth, Morenes on fifth. Pero Ethan Butadan dyan nasa likuran. McLaren Beria Corta. Ito to bay. Kailan to bay? Ala, dikit ang laban no? Ha?
Tumuli.
Ah, tumulin. Ala, battle for second. Andyan na sa likuran! Woo! Ala, dikit ang laban! Woohoo!
White na, white!
White flag, 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 white flag. Open up! Dublin! Dublin! Ala ka! Ala! Agay! 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 Wala! 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 Battle for second. Arangues versus Cortez! Dublin overlap! Wow, Kirk Morenes versus Ethan Butan. Wow! McLaren. Grabe Fernandez bay, breakaway na. Ha? Fernandez. Allah! Wow! Outside, inside, inside, outside. La! Wow! Anong gagawin? JC 18.
Dapat na ba?
Saan? Ala! Black pass now! Lupas! Last corner! Ay, yan. Wala yun. Wala. First, Fernandez. Second, Arangues. Third, Cortez. Grabe. Gandang laban. Checker, 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 checker. Checker, 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 checker. Gandang laban guys. So Ford Edge, Bebelio, Baby Mangs, And then Morines, Ethan Butad. Checker. Wow. And then McLaren, Belia Corta. Checker.